Using a working VPN in Qatar is quite straightforward. Today I'll guide you through the steps to easily set it up. To use a VPN in Qatar, you'll need a compatible device with the latest operating system version, a reliable VPN service, and an active internet connection. Here's how to do it first. Choose a VPN service that works in Qatar. Some popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and ProtonVPN. Next, download and install the VPN app on your device. Launch the VPN app and sign into your account. Then, connect to a server located outside of Qatar. Once connected, you can securely browse the internet and access content that may be restricted in Qatar. It's crucial to ensure that the VPN service you choose complies with local laws, as some countries restrict or ban VPN usage. Remember that using a VPN for illegal activities is not condoned and can have legal consequences. Select a VPN provider with a strict no-logs policy to safeguard your online activities.